Now let's have a discussion about what is the need for chatbot. Here we will also be seeing the benefits of adopting chatbots. So let's see that. So what is the first advantage? The first advantage is we have a personalized customer experience with the help of chatbots. What does this mean? This means that the experience that every customer will get will depend on what type of things do they need. For example, if you are talking to a chatbot, right, on a website such as Amazon or something like that, then that chatbot will ask you what do you want, right, and you will tell them your specific product. After you told them your product, they will inquire you more and more and more until they are able to find something that is suitable for you, right? So what does this mean? This means that it is actually enhancing the experience that you have as a customer, right? So of course it will be under the banner of personalized customer experience. After that, the next thing that comes into our mind when we are talking about chatbots is efficient staff onboarding, right? So when we are talking about the staff that is actually in any company, right, and with the help of chatbots we can actually make sure that our staff is working good enough, they are working efficiently, right, and their no time is going in wastage in having these small talks and these small discussions with the customers, right? So chatbots can do those things for you, and later your staff can work on sort of developing the best product for the customers. So let's discuss the third need. The third need is lead identification. Of course, when a customer is talking to a chatbot, that will lead to the result of that customer buying that product, right? So there is a chance that there will be a lead there, or the product will be able to sell there, right? So how is that chance taken out? That chance is taken out with the help of chatbots. So that way chatbots also help a lot when we are talking about lead identification. Let's see other examples as well. So another example is standardized solutions. So this means that the solutions that are being provided have a specific standard and that can be maintained with the help of chatbots. So what does this mean? This means that the chatbot can consistently be in touch with the customers, right? And if the customers think that the product standard is not up to the par, then that way that product can be changed or the changes can be made to that product. So what does this mean? This means that it will help in having a standardized solution for the product. After that, another example of needing chatbots is cost cutting, right? So when we are talking about cost, then if you have chatbots, you do not have to have that much staff with the help of which you are sort of having conversation with the customers, right? So yeah, your intelligent chatbot can basically have these discussions with the customers, and in that way you do not have to hire staff in that regard, right? So it also helps us a lot in cost cutting. After that, last but not the least, scalability is also a very important factor when we are talking about chatbots, right? So what does this mean? This means that if we are talking with chatbots, then you will know that this product has the potential to scale to that much level, right? So if we are able to say that our product is good enough to be scaled onto all over the world, right, that way we can say that our product is better. And how will we compute that? We will compute that by just discussing with the customer, and the customer can have a very good discussion with the chatbots. Last but not the least, a very important thing, we can have a 24/7 availability of chatbots. That is an issue when we are talking about humans, right? So chatbots can work for you 24/7. So these are the basic needs when we are talking about chatbots. Next, we are going to have a discussion about why should any company adopt these chatbots.